The number one skill to break into product management and succeed as a product manager is product thinking. It's not about building more features, it's about solving the right problem of the right set of audience or the right set of the customers. In this video, I will share with you that how you can develop this product mindset step by step. So what is the product thinking? Product thinking is a mindset of thinking about the problem first rather than jumping directly to the solution. It is all about asking yourself these questions: that what you are building, who is it for, how the users are getting their problems solved right now, who will they pay for it, and lot other questions. Instead of you building the features, you are focusing on the impact, the outcome, and the user values. And this is something that really differentiate a task executor from a product manager. You have to be a product manager, not a task executor. And how to develop this product mindset? For that, first of all, stop asking what should we build, rather than start asking that why does this need to be built. Because if whatever you are building, if it is not built bringing the real impact, and if it is not solving the problem of the customer, it is simply a waste. And to strengthen this muscle, start doing this weekly exercise. So on a weekly basis, pick up a product and ask yourself these 10 questions. Who is it for? What problem is it solving? How were users solving this before? How big or painful is this problem? Who are the competitors? What makes this product better? What is the future potential? And who might acquire it someday? How does it make money? And what are the future monetization opportunities out there for this product? Do this weekly, write it down, and I can guarantee you that in just a few weeks of time, you will start thinking like a product manager. Product thinking is the mindset that basically separates the average product manager from a super performing product manager. And if you want to build up this muscle and learn the other skills of a product manager step by step in the smoothest and the easiest way, and want to make a transition, so in that case, apply for a one-on-one demo call with us, where we will showcase you a path to become a product manager. The link for the same is in the description below.